So what does the smart campaign consist of? So you've got your headline 1, 2 and 3 with the maximum character length of 30 characters. Then you've got description 1 and 2, 90 characters each, just like the expanded text ads. Then you put in your website URL. Site links are set up and generated automatically. You need to link your Google My Business to your Google Ads account. That is the critical thing. And you must have a Google My Business page, otherwise this won't work. You put in your phone number and your address, and it just starts to run once the ads have been approved. Let's go into our interface. Go to your campaign tab, new campaign, like you would do. Now you can select one of these goal types, or you create without the goals guidance. And then in here you see smart, create text and image ads that show on Google Maps across the web. Select that. Now what you want to do is decide whether you want to run get calls to your business, somebody to visit your shop if you have a shop front, or take any other call to action on your website. So it could be a form or watch a video or whatever action you want them to take. But for most of the businesses, especially for lead generation, call ads are the best ones. Click on the call and you then select the business you want to advertise. Now you can either set up a radius around your business where you are, or set up a specific area. Now as my Google My Business is linked to this account, it knows where I am and my postcode. It highlights that, and the minimum is 3-mile radius, or the maximum is 40 miles. So then I can just drag this slider along and see how far I want to reach. If you are a local business, I would recommend no more than 10 miles, but it really depends on how far you service your clients.